welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my birthday vlog. Today is March 14th and I'm turning 20. I'm turning 26. Yes. So I'm starting off this vlog right now. I just woke up and yeah, I don't know how I feel. I'm excited. Probably I'm gonna vlog, so that's why I'm starting it now. Maybe I'll make another intro because I just woke up and I don't know how I look in my PJs. But thank you for watching. I know it's been a minute. I always forget to post my videos and then, or like I take videos and then I just never post them. But yeah, so today's my birthday vlog. I'm gonna go out for brunch at 12 with my friends. And then I'm gonna go to the ice cream museum with a friend also. And yeah, so I'll be documenting my day. I'll try to talk to you guys a little bit, smile a little bit, and do all that other things. So since you're here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, welcome to my birthday vlog. Just a quick update. I'm currently
head southwest on 9th Avenue toward West 56th Street.
I'm lost, I think. But yeah, this is me just trying to find where I'm going. It is loud up in here. I finally made it to the sugar factory. Wish me happy birthday. Like, why are you staring at the camera? Like, Abiwe. Okay, say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kabo. Tashi Jin. Yeah. What do you yes, girl. Guys,
yes, babe. I told her this way. Drink my lip gloss first.
Oh, okay, she wants lip gloss first.
Birthday!
Happy birthday! Alright, so we're waiting for our drinks right now. We're about to eat. Then, yeah. Alright, all set.
2, 3, 4.
Woo!
It smells. Ready, 3, 2, 1. I can't see it.
Smoky drinks and yeah, be happy guys. I am exhausted. I'm excited. I'm everything. Yes, baby. What are you looking for?
You and I have to start a vlog together.
Yes,
please.
definitely. You heard it? Yes, the energy.
I know your energy.
Did you just drink? Anyway.
What happened?
She drank Liberty's milkshake. So, as I was saying, you want to bet? Yeah.
It seems to be like I'm gonna drink this entire thing by myself because she's just vlogging.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'm going back to my drink. See you guys later. I'll post when Peace out. I'll show you the food when it arrives. And here comes the food.
Just ako nagkatapila and I'm happy and excited.
So I said I don't want the bits and plates. And then I asked the fellow for happy.
They're fighting over chicken
She
wings.
ate the rest of the one. I saw. I didn't do anything.
I'm just enjoying my pasta.
Yeah, like, we not bothered by the last chicken wing.
They stole my chicken.
These are my gifts. Bye guys, I'll see you later. Guys, I'm currently going to the ice cream museum. Trying to figure out the subway all by myself. I'm talking close because there's a lot of people here. But yeah, I'm trying to find the train to go to the ice cream museum, and I think I'm doing pretty good. And yeah, this is how the vlog is going. See, there it's going. Lagging. Hey guys, I survived the subway by myself for the first time, and now we're just heading to the ice cream museum. I'm excited. Look at me, I have mastered the subway all by myself. I need a round of applause. Praise must always praise itself. So right now, I'm trying to find the Museum of Ice Cream, and hopefully my friend Tabby saying is there already. But yeah, this is just me walking down Soho. Yeah, happy birthday! So I just arrived at the ice cream museum. My friend is delayed by like 8 minutes, so hopefully she'll be here soon, and then we can get this vlog going. This is the ice cream museum from outside. I don't know if you can see, I'll show you just now. Say hi to my mom!
Make sure you have your mask on above your nose at all times. Even if you're just taking pictures, videos, or even if you're just by yourself. They see you with no mask on, I'm gonna come over and see where we got to go.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Ice cream names right now. Which one did you get? Oh, we don't have them yet. Oh, you have to write it down. What are you gonna write?
I don't know. Chocolate vanilla.
Chocolate vanilla. Oh, we should write it down first, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. What's it? What? Banana. Like this, I'm not creative. I'm just gonna call myself caramel sprinkle.
Oh my.
Caramel sprinkle. The Trevanana. Pertama kali dua kat lalbol, kiel buat.
So you're gonna get your first treat of the day.
Ooh.
You have two options to choose between. One is a pink vanilla ice cream.
Yes.
The other is pink lemonade, the drink. And whatever you decide to have today, you'll consume it all the way Once you're done completing your treat, you can come right back on in and head up the pink staircase to your ice cream heaven, okay?
Okay. Yes, please. Getting ice cream, getting ice cream. Is the ice cream free?
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh. Okay. Wait, must be. Thank you. All right. On my hair. Oh my gosh. I got so excited trying to document everything.
Taking a video of this. Oh my gosh.
It was literally my first attempt. So now we got free ice cream. It's pink and cute.
Yep.
Just like us. What's inside there? Take a peek. Got the bread. Who is that? Yeah. Ooh.
I think I saw this.
Yeah, I also saw this. Is this the party room? We're in the party room because it's my party. Come everyone to my birthday party.
Milk it.
We are in sprinkles. We are from South Africa, and I'm celebrating my. Doesn't even make sense. I can't even see it in the thing. Hey. Wula wula whoop. Time for some ice cream. Cream of the ice. Tabby, are you ready for your second batch of ice cream? Yeah. Vanilla.
Yes.
Yes.
So you're gonna finish at one of the tables.
Okay.
It's really good.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, look at that.
Thank you. Cheers, second ice cream. Guys, like LiQWYD, it's fancy. Fancy stuff. Second ice cream. Vegan ice cream. We're eating vegan ice cream.
I don't know how vegans do it.
You don't know what?
I don't know how vegans do it.
Please wait. Oh, it's the sprinkle room.
Sprinkle pool, legendary sprinkle pool. Little cold in the pool to change a bit. We don't want anyone swimming, okay? The waters are a little choppy, but
you.
No stepping with your shoes, no immersing yourself so you can touch with your hands, aka splash it off, as long as you sanitize before you come on.
Okay.
Welcome to the sprinkle pool, guys.
Thank you. Alright, we just finished taking pictures and we just reached the last part of the ice cream museum and now we're getting ice cream. It's actually my birthday.
We got a birthday! It's a birthday in the building! I'm returning, man.
26.
Oh!
Yes.
21.
No, 26.
Jacket.
Yeah.
We're in the museum of what? Some what?
Ice cream.
Come on now, we got some chocolate ice cream.
Okay.
The chocolate malted milk balls inside. Does that sound delicious?
Yep.
Does that sound delightful?
You know what?
Does that sound mouth-watering?
As long as it's not vegan.
Oh, you ain't like that? I know right now, we like real ice cream. This is something.
Yeah.
But you had to put some little what? With a birthday girl, y'all want to fill it up for you. I
Ooh.
want to fill it up for you.
Oh.
That is all for you.
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
The rest of it, okay?
Thank
Have
you.
a happy birthday, man.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Let's end this vlog. Guys, thank you for coming with us to the Museum of Ice Cream. Oh, I didn't tell them I don't eat chocolate, so Tempsy's got 2 ice cream scoops.
What?
Because I don't eat chocolate. So this is the end of the vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you. Bye.
Love zone.